Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
NBC News taps Kristen Welker, Peter Alexander as Chief White House Correspondents. Current Chief White House Correspondent Hallie Jackson will shift to become Senior Washington Correspondent, and will add a streaming show to her purview.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Who is Kristen Welker? In addition to her work at NBC, Kristen was also a reporter and weekend anchor at WLNE-TV in Providence, Rhode Island, and an anchor and reporter at KRCR-TV in Redding, California. She currently lives in Washington, D.C. with her husband John Hughes.
Take our lead.
NBC News Chief White House Correspondent Kristen Welker and her husband, John Hughes, are expecting their first child together in June. After years and years of trying, I'm having a baby girl with John and we are so excited, Welker, 44, announced on Today Friday. It's with the help of a surrogate.
Let's help you make your mark.
On Friday, Welker shared a picture of her hand on the baby bump of the person who's presumably her surrogate and wrote, "After years of really tough infertility struggles, my husband, John, and I are so thrilled to share that, with the help of a surrogate, we will welcome a baby girl and become a family of 3 in."
Make your mark, take our lead.
Peter Alexander. Kristen Welker and Peter Alexander were named the new Chief White House Correspondents for NBC News, part of a rejiggering of some of the news unit's personnel in the nation's capital as many news outlets prepare to cover a new presidential administration.
Take our lead.
American. Kristen Welker, nationality. Kristen Welker parents are a Native American father, Harvey Welker, engineer, and an African American mother, Julie Welker, a state agent. Their story is, by the way, connected with her profession choice.
Let's help you make your mark.
Velshi is an Ismaili Muslim of Gujarati Indian descent. Ali's great-grandfather, a friend of Gandhi, arrived in South Africa in 1893, and earned a degree in religious studies from Queen's University in Kingston, Ontario, in 1994.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.